All right, we're going to be doing an introduction to the trig ratios. We'll be using these a lot throughout trigonometry as they are absolutely the foundation of everything we'll be learning in this class. To start, we need to name the sides of a right triangle. Hopefully you already know which side the hypotenuse is. If not, it is the side that is the longest. Also, it is the side that is across from the right angle. Now, we're going to be defining the sides based off of this angle theta that we have drawn here. That's kind of where we're going to be pretending that we are standing at. If you notice, theta is an angle that is created between two sides. One side is the hypotenuse, and the other side it touches we call the adjacent side, because it is adjacent to or touching theta. The final side, the one across from or opposite theta, we call the opposite side. Now that we have those named, let's go over the trig ratios. First, we'll define sine as the length of the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse, which we'll write as O divided by H. Cosine will be the adjacent over the hypotenuse, and tangent will be the opposite over the adjacent. For short, we will just be using the first three letters when writing these ratios down. Now, I've created Trig Game to help you memorize these ratios. You'll be given a ratio at the top of your screen. Just press on the side that represents the numerator of that ratio, followed by the side that represents the denominator. For example, if you are given tangent, or tan for short, you'd first need to press on the opposite side, followed by the adjacent side. We'll be going into the trig ratios more in depth in other videos, but for now, just do your best to memorize what they are, and good luck.